Welcome to our Green Regimen series. Today, we will introduce the 15th green, corn. Corn has a sweet, neutral nature and it is non-toxic. It has the following functions. Corn silk acts as a diuretic, cholagogue, hemostatic, and hypotensive. Corn cob invigorates the spleen, relieves dampness, regulates the middle Jiao, benefits the lungs and calms the mind. It also performs excellently in the auxiliary treatment of several conditions: urinary tract infections, urethral stones, diabetes, hypertension, night sweats and profuse sweating, kidney disease, hepatitis and jaundice. Here are some dietary therapy recipes using corn. For urethritis and cystitis, you can use 30 grams of corn silk, 15 grams of plantago seeds, and 6 grams of licorice. Cook and consume after decoction. For urinary stones and painful urination, which is unbearable, you can use 90 to 150 grams of corn silk. Cook and consume after decoction. For diabetes, you can use 30 grams of corn silk and 30 grams of philodendron bark. Cook into a thick residue, removing the dregs, and take 2 to 3 times daily. For frequent urination, urgency, and dysuria, you can use 60 grams of corn cob. Cook and remove the dregs, then add an appropriate amount of sugar. For hypertension with dizziness, epistaxis, and hematemesis, you can use 30 grams of corn silk, 30 grams of banana peel, and 10 grams of gardenia. Cook, cool, and consume. Alternatively, you can use 18 grams of corn silk, 10 grams of cassia seed, and 6 grams of chrysanthemum flower. Brew in hot water, drink as tea, and continue to maintain stable blood pressure. For night sweats, you can use 5 grams of corn cob and 30 grams of cooked oysters. Cook and consume twice daily. For kidney disease, including pyelonephritis, acute and chronic nephritis, you can use 6 grams of corn silk, 20 corn kernels, 3 cicada moths, and 1 snake slough. Cook and take. 1 month is 1 course of treatment. For nephritic edema and urinary retention, you can use corn silk, watermelon rind, winter melon rind, and red beans in suitable quantities. Boil to make tea and continue drinking for a positive effect. On chronic intractable nephritis with edema, you can use 10 grams of corn silk and 10 grams of elderberry bark. Cook and take as a course of treatment for 1 month. For enteritis and dysentery, you can use calcined corn cob 60 grams and 60 grams of coptis, grind finely, dissolve in warm water, and take 3 grams of the mixture 3 times a day. For cholecystitis, gallstones, infectious hepatitis, and jaundice, you can use 30 grams of corn silk, 15 grams of dandelion, and 15 grams of Artemisia annua. Cook and consume. Corn, as a significant grain, holds extensive medicinal and culinary value. It interweaves hues of red, green, black, and white with a vibrant appearance and a delicious texture, full of freshness, crispness, and tenderness. It is a grain suitable for all tastes, providing rich nutrition and health benefits. Thank you for watching. We hope you can experience and enjoy this delicious grain yourself.